Hello fellow trans lovies, I am your girl lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and also leave a comment below. So Zoleka Mandela took it to Instagram to announce her split from husband Mr Bashala. She said they've been together for about 8 years in their marriage and they do have kids. Here is the messages she wrote. A couple of weeks ago and months ago, we've seen celebrities splitting from each other from marriage of years. We hope they work their differences together and continue making love and continue making their families together. Thank you guys for watching this video. I am out till next time. Love you.